What is the best way to trace this yoke of an airplane? Well, let me show you. I'm doing some lines here. I now have an arc. I'm going to switch to an arc. Do the midpoint of the end point of the arc. I now have a curve. I switch to a curve. And I just come in here and digitize points along that curve, and the program put in a nice smooth curve there. I now have a line, switch to a line. I have an arc, switch to arc. I do a midpoint, endpoint, now have a line. I now have another arc, another curve, just do points along that curve. So easy and accurate. I have an arc. I have some more lines at the top. I have another curve here. So by doing the lines, curves, arcs, I'm going to get a great DXF file in just a few minutes. Line, 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 one more curve. We are all done. Let's save a DXF file. Look at that. It looks great. Save the file, cut it out.